We're here patching these roads for the increased volumes of traffic due to the detours going to be in place once the road floods over between the Berry Loxton Road, Booknong Road.
Yeah, it's good that Fulton Hogan have basically dropped off their sort of regular maintenance program to try and fix some of these roads that are involved with the flooding, the detours. If some of these areas don't get fixed, they'd be under a speed limit, which frustrates everyone. So no, they're doing a good job.
So the high river flows that are coming down are putting threat on the roads. So eventually these roads will go under, and then there'll be detours in place.
It's been a bit unfortunate. We've had so much rain on all these roads. They've deteriorated a bit before this flood event. The normal ferries, most of those will go out. So probably the percentage of cars coming over these roads will sometimes double.
The increased volume traffics are going to be massive on those roads.
Interstate traffic that used to go straight across the bridge is now be coming through these sort of roads. And we're working with councils, a few dirt roads we're going to be looking after as well with the council for detours.
There is extra kilometres to travel and a bit of frustration, so we just ask that they be mindful that there's going to be an increased volume on those roads. This is an extraordinary event, so please be patient, be safe while using the detours.
The VSM boards will be in place. Take notice of those signs, take the detours, be sensible, don't try and make up time, don't speed, just be safe.
Any information on road closures or detours, please check its social media pages.